Imagine a door opens in front of you, and a man steps out. He is a strong, muscular man, walking with his chest wide, his head held high, and moving his hands as he walks. His stride is long, and each step carries weight. He walks in, sits on a chair, places one leg over the other, and sits as if he's a boss, a leader, a true strong man. You are sitting in the same room, watching this person enter, but you don't know who he is, how rich he is, his status, or what he does. You have no clue, but still, you can feel his powerful aura. Without saying a word, he leaves an impression on your mind. This is what power is, a dark body language, and who wouldn't want to get the respect and honor they deserve? Body language is something that speaks volumes about you. Without saying a word, it decides how people are going to treat you. If you have a powerful, energetic, and confident body language, people will treat you respectfully, listen to what you say, and take you seriously. But if your body language shows shyness, nervousness, or weakness, people will already perceive you as being at a lower level. They won't pay much attention to you and will treat you lightly. All of this happens in just 7 seconds because scientists say that when you meet someone, in just 7 seconds, that person forms an impression of you. A high-status man understands the importance of body language. To make your body language powerful and dark, you need to follow these 5 things. 1. Standing stance. 40 to 50% of your body language comes from how you position your legs. How you stand, walk, or sit plays a huge role in showing whether your body language is dominant or weak. For example, standing with your feet close together, hands crossed, and paying full attention shows a weak, submissive stance. But if you want to look powerful and dominant, stand confidently with your feet shoulder-width apart. A wide stance signals power and dominance. Standing with your arms in an akimbo position is a powerful gesture. In the animal kingdom, the strongest and biggest animal commands the most respect. Humans too use powerful gestures to show dominance. The akimbo pose is one of the highest status gestures, often called the Superman pose. Research from Harvard University has shown that holding such power poses for just 2 minutes can increase testosterone levels by 20% and decrease cortisol by 25%, making you appear more confident both internally and externally. Using the akimbo pose the right way is important to avoid looking ridiculous. Here's how to do it. Step 1. Stand straight, shoulders back, and place your hands on your waist. Not too high or too low, just on your waist. Step 2. Push your elbows straight out to the sides. Never point your elbows backward or forward. Step 3. Keep your fingers pointing forward, and your thumb should point toward your body for maximum impact. 2. Forward foot position. A high-value man's body language should be dominant and attractive. The forward foot position is a perfect combination of wide, muscular, and attractive body language. This is why celebrities often use this pose on the red carpet or on stage. It makes them look powerful and attractive. Research from the University of California, Berkeley, shows that shifting your weight slightly forward projects an engaged, confident, and charismatic presence. To execute it perfectly. Step 1. Position one foot comfortably in front. Step 2. Keep your shoulders straight and your body open, showing confidence. Step 3. You can place one hand in your pocket while the other remains relaxed. This will give you a natural masculine look. 3. The power walk. Have you ever noticed how a real confident man walks into a room? His walk is smooth, relaxed, and controlled. As he moves, people are naturally attracted to him because his walk reflects his inner power and confidence. To develop a powerful walk, muscular shoulder swing. Men generally have more testosterone, which is why broad shoulders are considered a masculine trait. When a man walks with a shoulder swing, it reflects strength and muscularity. You don't need to exaggerate it. Just walk naturally and notice how your walk becomes smooth and confident. Head up, looking at the ground makes you seem insecure and nervous. Keeping your head high shows you are in control of where you're going and your surroundings. Stride length. Your stride directly reflects your confidence. Small steps make you look nervous and hesitant, while long, relaxed steps make you appear confident. Moving hands. Allow your arms to swing naturally. Keeping them pressed to your body or in your pockets shows nervousness and low confidence. A real alpha keeps his hands visible because it shows he has nothing to hide. 4. Sitting like a boss. Now that you know how to stand and walk confidently, sitting correctly is just as important. If you make a mistake while sitting, all your confidence can fall apart in seconds. When sitting, it's crucial to take up space and sit confidently. For example, if you're sitting at a table, relax your hands on the table or on your lap. A leg over leg position. High-status men often sit with one leg over the other, but adopting this position correctly is important. When crossing your legs, keep your back straight, shoulders relaxed, and your hands apart. This shows that you are relaxed, confident, and in control. 5. Mastering hand gestures. When talking to someone, your hand movements can make your words more powerful than the words themselves. Research shows that effective hand gestures can make your communication 50% more impactful. Here are the top masculine hand gestures. Pointing gesture. When you want to highlight something, point with your finger. Ensure it doesn't appear aggressive. Just emphasize the importance of what you're pointing at. Sweeping movements. When discussing a broad concept or idea, use sweeping hand movements. This increases the intensity of your words. Framing. When you need to give structure or a timeline, use framing gestures with your hands. For example, if you are saying, "This project will be finished in 3 weeks," show 3 fingers. While doing all this, don't forget to pay attention to your facial expressions, as people mostly notice your face. Facial expressions. When you're talking face to face, your eyes and expressions make the first connection. Research from Harvard University has proven that eye contact makes you look more honest and confident. Avoiding eye contact makes you appear insecure or nervous. Focus on your eye contact and facial expressions. Engaged expressions. If you're happy, show it with a smile. If you're upset, maintain a neutral face. Don't show excessive emotions. 3-second rule. Always maintain eye contact for 3 seconds, then take a short break. Shift your gaze every 3 to 5 seconds in a group setting to make it appear as if you're noticing everyone. By following these steps, you can develop a powerful, confident body language that leaves an impression. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.